petrol workers waiting bus. بعدين سوا أمادي ممكن شويبة ممكن one me forget petroleum area. You remember petroleum area Amadi Shuweiba. Me forget you right me forget area. See shop. Wow, me remember my work, me before work petroleum KNPC JGC project, but now me work Matam. No good Matam, but okay, money good, it's okay, no problem. Shop orange uniform, this one different company, no Napso company. Orange uniform ada P blue, but then aswad, but then orange, bortakal, yes, but then Tani shop, Tani company. Wow. You working before petrol, maybe you remember, you miss petrol work, construction. Wow. This one bus, company bus, free transportation. And then go petrol construction. Shukul. Just finish work. This one mungkin night shift. Bus go down bus, and then row accommodation mungkin. Shop from construction drilling wala petrol shop. No same company. That one the bus, the bus go down, and then go down worker. Oh wow, too much. Na parshop. Waiting bus service. When service, the service. Shop kalas busway na parmo jud. No more Colosseiro company petroleum syukol mo jud Shuweiba min Abdullah Amadi, anay bulo company Damak, Hisco, Al Arabi Enertech, NSH, MTC, NBTC Preport, tomats blabla manggap, tomats day, Schneider, Mammoth, Napier. Before me work same me work before KNPC JGC, joint project Japanese. Too much salary me before, but now no salary, little, but the best here KNPC KOC or Weatherford you work there. Too much money, very big money salary, petrol.